Hey guys, we're about to start our unit about animal habitats, and I just wanted to show you the PowerPoint presentation I created using Google Slides. That way you know what you're supposed to do in your stations, and I wanted to show you which slides will belong in each station, and then if you're doing this from home, I'll show you how to access it using your Google Classroom account. So this is the PowerPoint or the Google slide presentation that I created to show you guys about animal habitats. This first slide kind of tells you what a habitat is, but then the next two slides are videos about habitats. These two right here, I want you to watch during your video station and to document two facts about each that you found interesting. Interesting means that you thought it was cool. So, two facts about each video in your science notebook during the video station. As you go down, there are other slides about different habitats. You see that I've described the habitats and I've given you some pictures to show what they look like. Deserts, tundras, rainforest, all of these slides you can work with a partner in your research stations to read and talk about what you find interesting and to document one fact per each habitat. If you're doing this from home, you can do this with a sibling, or you can just do it by yourself, or read the slides to your pets, but document one fact about each habitat that you think is interesting. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you where you can find this slide presentation through your Google Classroom account. It's not on there just yet. I haven't uploaded it, and it'll look a little different, but this is just an example. This isn't really our classroom account, but it's a Google Classroom account. When you go to your Google Classroom, you can see at the top where it says stream. That's very confusing. It's always easier to go to your classwork tab and then scroll down to where it says science. It may not be on here anymore. Supports for science. There we go. I haven't put the slide on there quite yet, but it'll be under this, and it should say Miss Cotton's Habitat Slide Presentation. And that's where you'll go from your Chromebook, from your Google account. I hope you guys understand what to do, and I know that you will learn some really cool things about habitats and where animals live.